Ian Smith. Ian Smith. Hi, Ian. Ian Smith. Are you struggling there, mate, getting the panels off?
Yep. Come on, I must know.
Oh, that fucking plumber. I've never took a pair of brackets off. Fucking plumber and he can't take some brackets off. Eh? What kind of plumbers I call this then? Ah. Emmett Brown there. Fucking Back to the Future, can't take them off. Make a time machine but he can't take some brackets off.
Go in there, look. Oh, they come on. Come on, they must put them on. They're supposed to come with him.
He doesn't have to take their brackets off. Ian Smith.
Does it fall? I don't know.
Ian Smith. That's what I was doing, you nothing then.
Half it down the drop off when I don't want to. Because we can't fucking do it now.
I thought Ian Smith would have known how to do this. Making a time machine, but not how to take rod brackets off. Fucking hell, fire. Ian Smith.
I'm sure there are others. Where you get a single one that's online, or Joe Wiley at bbc.co.uk. But anything that you have to do as
there we go, Al.
Look at that, eh?
That a plumber, he's not.
Hitler side Parton's managed it though. Look at that. Egg.
Well done, Ed. Come on then, show that.
Come on then, show us that. That's it, Smithy. Huh? Ian Smith.
I've been fucking hating it.
Vicar Smith. Huh? It's like one of the Father Ted's, isn't it? You know, somebody have one of the fathers that come round. It's like an elite, huh? Right, Ian. See you later. Ian Smith. You disappeared into the light.
Towards the light.
Ian Smith.